This is the Bitvae Oral Irrigator Cordless 20. This is the box, how it comes. Let's open this up and show you a close-up what you get. Everything well packaged. Opened up is the main unit. The pick heads, you get 6. The rechargeable USB-C cable. The instruction booklet in a number of languages and how to use it. 1 meter of cord plugs into a power source, a power charger, etc., etc. Located on the back of the unit, it's IP rated. There is a cover that you plug in your power source, the USB-C, and you have a white, soft light that will glow on and off until fully charged. While the unit's charging, this is where the pick goes on top. When first getting the machine, please clean it. On the back of the unit, you pull this plug down. It will drain the unit out if any water is excessively in there. Close it back up by simply pressing firmly on the door. On the unit, there is a lock and unlocking mechanism, black on black. On the top, there is a signature for the water pick, black on black. And on the buttons, there is the on, black on black, as well as the buttons here, mode, black on black. Grab the unit firmly, like so. Lefty loosey, follow the thumb, and lift up. And that's how you clean the machine and open up. To close up, press down comfortably, righty-tighty. Very carefully, what you're going to hear is a snap. There is a ring right here. When we press in our water pick, it should make a snapping sound. Listen. To release it, you're going to press in the button and pull out and let go. You're going to fill the machine up with water, turn on, and use. The on and off will trigger the water pick to work. This is a mode of low, medium, and high. The pressure of the water shooting out. Let's go use the machine, show you how to put water in, and show you how to use this. We're all set up, ready to go. We're going to close our door. We're going to untwist, and we're going to fill up with water. There's no line showing you how far to fill up and how many days of use. So it's all going to be a guess. You can use fresh water, bottled water, whatever water you like. You're going to place back on the unit. For the very first time, you're going to see how the unit works by pressing. Press on. The bottom button, low, medium, high. If I tilt this upside down, it will drain out and not work. You want to make sure that the water is by the bottom drain point underneath. When we clean our teeth with the unit, we want to make sure we have this sanitized. And when we place it in our mouth, you're not going to see me working it, using it. So I'm going to do my best to show you with this unit on. Wow, this is my first time using this. It's a little messy, but because I have my mouth open and showing you, you're going to get the idea of how this works. So I'll give another shot for you and demonstrate. One of the things I cannot show you is cleaning the back side of your teeth. And we also have this included piece. Again, we'll show you how to take this off by pulling firmly and placing on a tongue scraper. A tongue scraper, let's show you how it works. I basically use one time only. I'm going to refill and add in some more water. Can we change the speed while it's in the off position? Yes, we can. Low, medium, high, and the on button. So we have an indicator that you can see in the white soft light. And when we press the on button, this will light up, and I'll show you. And if you want to simply drain the unit, you just pull the plug in the back like so. It's very easy to do. It is an excellent product indeed for oral hygiene. This is the Oral Irrigator Cordless 20. So I hope you have many good uses with it. It fits nicely on the counter. It's black in design with a very smoky looking glass that you still can see how much water is inside. It's very easy to fill up by simply untwisting it and adding water. Nothing is hard at all. And now you're ready for your next cleaning, just like so. Just make sure you put it on correctly and put it down like so for your next cleaning. So I hope you're looking for the oral hygiene cleaner that may be right for you. Enjoy your product if this is the gift you're looking to give someone in excellent hygiene.